Hey friends, if you want to know on how to change the recycle bin icon on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So in my Windows, my recycle bin icon has been changed into Patrick Star. So if you want to also change your recycle bin icon from that trash can default icon into something that you really like, then let's go ahead to the process. First is we need to open any browser. It could be Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. Just type in the Windows search bar to open up that browser. So I'll open my Google Chrome browser. In here, you just need to type recycle bin themes. Click on that. Then here in the first option, you will find this github.com recycle bin theme silly icon for the Windows. Just click on this. This is the first option if you're going to search for the recycle bin themes. Now here you will have a lot of available themes, like you have the Patrick Star, this one, and you also have the Pop Cut. You also have the Kirby, this one. You also have the Kana, like the crab. You also have this sword Kirby, and you also have the French fries, which is very cute. And you also have the Minecraft chest. So it's up to you on what do you like or what you prefer. So let's go. Click on the one that we like. So I'm going to go with this French fries. So just click on view icons. This is the same process for the icon that you want to download. Just click on this view icons. Then here, just click on this French fries empty.ico. Click on it. Then click on this view row. Then make a right click on it. It's the same process for all the icons that you like to download. Click on Save Image As. In here, the file name, just leave it as it is. Then choose the destination path where you want it to be saved. So I'll save it in the downloads. And I'll click on Save. Now once done, just simply close your browser. Then click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, you need to click on Personalization. Scroll down. The process is just the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And you will find this. Themes, this one, Install, Create, and Manage. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the desktop icon settings under related settings. Click on that. Then here in the desktop icon settings, click on the recycle bin. Then click on change icon. Then browse. And then you need to browse for the path that you have saved your icon. I'll click on downloads. And click on this. And click on open. And click on OK. Apply. And then OK. Now let's go back to our desktop. And as you can see, my recycle bin has been changed into a French fries icon. So the process is just very easy and you just have to do it for all the icons that you like to be or you like to be the icon for your recycle bin. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.